Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand why finding the right product is so crucial. In the world of e-commerce, your product is the heart of your business. It dictates your marketing efforts, your target audience, your profit margins, and ultimately your success. A winning product solves a problem, fulfills a desire, or caters to a specific niche with strong demand. It's not just about picking something that looks cool. It's about identifying a product with genuine potential in the market. Oberlo, as many of you know, is a fantastic platform that simplifies the process of finding and importing products from AliExpress directly into your Shopify store. It eliminates the complexities of traditional inventory management and allows you to focus on what truly matters: marketing and selling. However, the sheer volume of products available on Oberlo can be overwhelming. That's why having a strategic approach is absolutely essential. So, where do we begin our treasure hunt for these winning products? Let's explore some powerful techniques you can start using today. 1. Dive deep into niche research. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, focus on identifying profitable niches. A niche is a specific segment of a larger market with its own unique needs and preferences. Think of it as finding a smaller pond where you can be a bigger fish. How do you find these lucrative niches? Start by exploring your own interests and passions. What are you genuinely curious about? What problems do you or people you know face? Your personal experience can often lead you to underserved markets. Beyond your own interests, leverage online tools and resources. Explore trending topics on social media platforms like Twitter and TikTok. Use Google Trends to see what people are searching for and identify rising trends. Look at online communities and forums related to specific hobbies or interests to understand their pain points and unmet needs. Once you've identified a few potential niches, it's time to validate their potential. Look at the competition. Are there existing players? If so, what are they doing well and where are their weaknesses? Don't be discouraged by competition. It often indicates an existing market. However, you want to find a way to differentiate yourself, either through product features, pricing, or target audience. 2. Leverage Oberlo's built-in tools. Oberlo itself offers valuable tools to aid your product discovery process. Pay close attention to the trending products section. While these products are popular, remember that competition might be higher. However, analyzing why these products are trending can provide valuable insights into current market demands. Explore the Product Insights feature. This often provides data on order volume, supplier ratings, and pricing trends, giving you a quick snapshot of a product's potential. Don't underestimate the power of Oberlo's filtering options. You can filter products by the number of orders, supplier rating, and even shipping options. This allows you to narrow down your search and focus on products with a proven track record and reliable suppliers. 3. Analyze competitor success stories. One of the smartest ways to find winning products is to see what's already working for others. Identify successful dropshipping stores in your chosen niche or even in broader e-commerce categories. What products are they heavily promoting? Which products consistently appear in their best-selling lists? Tools like Simply Trends or manual browsing can help you analyze competitor websites. Look for products with high engagement on their social media, numerous positive reviews, and consistent sales. This doesn't mean you should directly copy their products, but it provides valuable clues about what resonates with customers. 4. Tap into social media and influencer marketing. Social media platforms are goldmines for discovering emerging trends and popular products. Keep a close eye on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. What products are influencers showcasing? What viral trends are capturing people's attention? Look for products that solve a problem in a visually appealing or engaging way, as these tend to perform well on visual platforms. Pay attention to the comments and engagement on these posts to gauge genuine interest and demand. 5. Solve a problem or fill a gap. Winning products often address a specific pain point or fulfill an unmet need in the market. Think about everyday frustrations people experience. Are there existing products that could be improved? Is there a gap in the market for a specific type of product or feature? Conduct market research through surveys, online forums, and social listening to identify these problems and gaps. A product that directly solves a problem often has a higher perceived value and a more dedicated customer base. 6. Consider seasonal and evergreen products. Think about the seasonality of products. While seasonal products can experience surges in demand during specific times of the year, e.g., Christmas decorations, summer swimwear, evergreen products have consistent demand year-round, e.g., phone accessories, pet supplies. A balanced approach might involve incorporating both types of products into your store. Seasonal products can drive significant short-term sales, while evergreen products provide a stable foundation for your business. 7. Don't neglect product quality and supplier reliability. Finding a product with high demand is only half the battle. You also need to ensure that the product is of good quality and that you're working with reliable suppliers. Low-quality products and unreliable suppliers can lead to negative customer reviews, high return rates, and ultimately damage your brand reputation. When evaluating products on Oberlo, pay close attention to supplier ratings, customer feedback, and the number of orders fulfilled. Order samples of potential winning products yourself to assess their quality firsthand. Effective communication with your suppliers is also crucial for a smooth dropshipping operation. 8. Test, iterate, and analyze. Once you've identified a few promising products, the next crucial step is to test them. Don't invest heavily in a large inventory up front. Instead, start with small-scale testing using targeted ads and see how they perform. Pay close attention to key metrics like click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Analyze the data to understand what's working and what's not. Be prepared to iterate on your product selection, marketing strategies, and even your pricing based on the results. Finding winning products on Oberlo is an ongoing process of research, analysis, and testing. It requires a strategic mindset and a willingness to adapt. By implementing these techniques and continuously learning from your experiences, you'll significantly increase your chances of uncovering those hidden gems that can propel your e-commerce business to success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.